Whether you're a professional or aspiring musician, you're inextricably linked by one common goal: perfection. Perfection in your performance and with the instrument you play. Hayes Music in Romsey and the main store in Southampton. They are the go-to places for everything musical. Not just because of what is physically available, but because of the quality of advice, the friendliness, and the outstanding value for money. All the leading names at amazing prices. That's what Hayes Music is all about. From stringed instruments to woodwind, from pianos and keyboards to brass, from percussion to a huge range of accessories and gifts. Hayes has it all. You don't even have to live nearby to get the Hayes touch, as they can deliver anywhere within the UK, with free delivery available on orders over £100. You can find out more at the website, where you can also see the very latest special offers. With finance deals available, a repair service, and virtually everything you could ever want from a music store. Make Hayes Music your number one. You'll be so glad you did.